All right, let's take a look at splitting 15 hot dogs with 10 people on this picnic. If you have not already done this on page 31, go ahead and draw your model so you can compare it to mine. So, first of all, most of you probably did a picture that looks like this, where you took and made 15 hot dogs, you divided them into tenths, and you gave one of those tenths to each person from each of those hot dogs to get 15 tenths. However, if we look at 15 hot dogs, we can say that 15 hot dogs, we can give each person one hot dog. So here are my 10 people. I can give them one whole hot dog. Again, my picture is not accurate. It's not pretty, but it's showing and representing those 10 hot dogs. So there are my 10 hot dogs, but we had 15 hot dogs. So here's 5 more hot dogs. So person 1 is going to get this hot dog, but they're also going to get half of this hot dog here, because one person, these 2 people would split this hot dog, and these 2 people would split that hot dog, so that each person would get 1.5 hot dogs. Well, let's look at what that is equivalent to for what you would have written for 15 tenths. So if I had 15 tenths, I would divide 15 by 10 to get 1 with a remainder of 5. So that would mean 1 whole, 5 is my numerator, over 10. Well, we know that 5 tenths is the same thing as 1/2. And you could show that as our magic number 1, because 1, when I divide or multiply by 1, it keeps my answer the same. It's equivalent. So 5 over 5 is the same thing as a 1 whole. So if I divide by 5 over 5, 5 divided by 5 is 1, and 10 divided by 5 is 2. Most of you already know that 5 tenths is equivalent to 1/2. So each person would get 1.5 hot dogs.